Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make sea moss capsules. Start by gathering raw sea moss, a blender, dehydrator or oven, capsule machine, and storage jars, then sanitize all surfaces and utensils before handling ingredients. Work in small batches to ensure consistency and label jars with dates. Keep a clean workspace and use gloves if preferred to avoid contamination during processing. Rehydrate your sea moss by rinsing and soaking it until fully plump and soft, then drain and inspect each piece for debris or discoloration. Blend with fresh water to a smooth gel consistency that will dry evenly, adding just enough water to reach a creamy texture. Use a glass container to store the gel briefly while you prepare the drying method to ensure even drying and food safety. Spread the blended sea moss thinly on dehydrator trays or a parchment-lined baking sheet and dry at low temperature until it is crisp and brittle, ensuring all moisture is removed. Once dried, grind the pieces into a fine powder that will flow well into capsules, and set up your capsule machine with the correct size for your dosage goals. Fill, inspect for uniformity, and seal capsules cleanly to preserve potency and shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.